Being smart in business means knowing what's just around the corner. It means thinking ahead and preparing for inevitable changes that will impact the way business is conducted. This is what allows a business to be resilient and to thrive in a changing environment. Digital marketing is no different. It's affecting the way that SEO works, the tools and the software we use, and the way that ads are displayed. The digital marketing singularity is just around the corner. The mistake that some big businesses make is to assume that they're too big to fail and to coast along as they already are. Ask Sears and Blockbuster how that turned out. As digital marketers, that means thinking about things that could impact the face of marketing. Web3, AI, and machine learning have the potential to completely change the face of internet marketing, rendering many older strategies obsolete. And a lot of this stuff isn't just speculation, it's happening right now. First, before I pitch you, you're probably thinking, who the heck is this guy? My name is Arthur Bernier Jr., and I am an entrepreneur, software engineer, technologist, educator, and mentor. With years of experience in the tech industry, I've led technical teams, developed complex software solutions, and instructed at renowned coding boot camps. I bring a positive and optimistic approach to software development, and I'm dedicated to driving business growth through innovative, mobile-optimized, and visually stunning applications. Here's a quick overview of my background. Founder and CTO of Monetisphere AI, building platforms that integrate AI with the creative process. Instructional lead at General Assembly, guiding future developers in full-stack development. Senior director at Per Scholas, a national technical education nonprofit offering skills training and access to employer networks to individuals often excluded from tech careers. Former ground software team lead at Astranis Space Technologies, a company specializing in geostationary communication satellites. Technical co-founder and head of engineering at a VC-backed startup, where I built a team of engineers and managed product development and raised $3.5 million in venture capital. Software engineer at Blavity Inc., where I designed user interfaces and contributed to application development for some of the largest black media companies in existence. I've also served in the U.S. Navy, achieving numerous awards and recognitions. For a detailed view of my experience, you can check out my LinkedIn. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you will gain a crystal ball with which to gaze into the future of internet marketing. You'll be better prepared and in a better position than 99.9% of other marketers. You will examine a large number of different types of AI and machine learning in the context of digital marketing. You will be ensured that your websites manage to hold their positions in the SERPs. You will create endless amounts of content in a second. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Artificial Intelligence in Digital Marketing, how artificial intelligence will transform digital marketing and how to be ready. And no stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You of course won't become a complete expert on this, but you'll get everything you need inside to be prepared for the technical revolution happening around us. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside this guide. What is AI and machine learning? Google as an AI-first company. Preparing for semantic search. Big data. Computer vision. Advertising. Email marketing. Chatbots. Developing your AI with ChatGPT and OpenAI. How to future-proof your marketing. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually learn and be ready for artificial intelligence in digital marketing. Who needs this step-by-step guide? Well, if you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. Do you want to ensure that your websites manage to hold their positions in the SERPs? Do you want your advertising campaigns to remain profitable and for your services to continue to remain relevant? Do you want to create endless amounts of content in a second? Do you want to be ready for the future of the industry? Do you want to know the different types of AI and machine learning in the context of digital marketing? Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is, how much is it? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing thousands of dollars for this sort of coaching. As a matter of fact, you can hire me to coach you one-on-one if you want for a minimum of $7,000. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, artificial intelligence and digital marketing cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, artificial intelligence and digital marketing mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, artificial intelligence and digital marketing resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution to learn and be ready for artificial intelligence and digital marketing, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. Click the button below now to get instant access for just $20. Yep, for just $20. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you learn and be ready for artificial intelligence and digital marketing. I'll see you on the inside. Click the link to get instant access now.